problem is not about unique values directly. It is about whether the occurrence counts themselves repeat. So we count first, then check the counts. We need to return true only if no two different values appear the same number of times. Given an array of integers r, return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. Example 1 ends with answer true. The value 1 has 3 occurrences, 2 has 2 and 3 has 1. No two values have the same number of occurrences. Example 2 ends with answer false. The important sizing limits are 1 lesser equal r dot length lesser equal 1000, minus 1000 lesser equal ri lesser equal 1000, and minus 1000 lesser equal ri lesser equal 1000. The key transformation is switching from values to frequencies. Once we do that, uniqueness becomes a simple set size comparison. Build a frequency table, then put the frequency values into a set and compare lengths. So in practice, first map each value to its occurrence count, then collect only the counts, and if the set of counts is smaller, some frequency repeated. The worked example shows that we do not need pairwise comparisons. We only need to know whether converting counts into a set loses anything. The counts are 3, 2, 1, the unique set is 1, 2, 3, so the answer is true. So the walkthrough goes in order. First value 1 appears 3 times. Then value 2 appears 2 times, and finally value 3 appears 1 time. So all counts differ. For the deeper version, the important thing is not more code first. It is naming the invariant that makes every local move safe. The long version should pause on the invariant or the local rule that makes the solution reliable, not just on the final code. So in practice, name the rule that stays true while scanning. Connect that rule to the pointer or state movement, and then the implementation feels natural. Counter gives the frequency map immediately, and then the final check is just set size versus dictionary size. In the code, focus on this checkpoint. Notice which value is returned to finish the reasoning. Here is the full solution. The interview skill is recognizing that the second uniqueness check belongs on the counts, not on the original numbers. In the code, focus on this checkpoint. Notice which value is returned to finish the reasoning. This stays linear in the input size, and the lasting lesson is to convert the problem into a frequency validation question. We scan the array once, then scan the distinct keys once more. So in practice, time complexity, ON, extra space, OK for distinct values, and the reusable pattern is count first. Then validate the frequency structure. For more LeetCode practice, follow and subscribe to the channel. This is AI and human collaboration.